Ms. Ramsey, we are so proud to say that you are a 2025 ExCEL Award winner. Our partners at Miracle Playgrounds could not be here today, but they do also send along a $1,000 check to use in your classroom.
Thank you.
How dedicated she is to our kids, and knowing that she would do anything. She'd go to the ends of the world to make sure that our kiddos have what they need in their classroom.
To be able to create individualized opportunities to engage kids with layered and unique challenges, that is something super, super special and unique. And it's not everyone that's called to do it and everyone that's good at it. So I really want to recognize that she is extraordinary, and we're very, very proud of her.
We are lucky here at Churchill Park to work with MacKenzie, and our students only benefit from our emphasis to always think about what is best for the students.
I can't imagine the award being big enough or great enough to show how amazing Kenzie is. But I'm sure there isn't anyone more deserving of this award. Congratulations, Kenzie. I'm so proud of you.
Teachers like MacKenzie make kids feel important, empowered, and have a sense of belongingness.
I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be and where I want to be. I love my kids and I would do anything for them. Some people sometimes tell me, why don't I move up higher in the board, become a principal, a counselor? I don't want to. I want to stay here with my kids, and that's where I'm supposed to be.